embodied in matter. Like this, literally, and I love like my teacher Rain Claire always talks about it. She doesn't even talk about the body. She says that's matter. Oh, my matter is having a reaction. My matter is rebelling. I want to run away. And she always encourages us to talk about la materia. La materia. Don't get so involved with the body. It's just the body. You're not the body. We get so caught up. How it looks, the hurt here, the hunger, the not, I couldn't sleep, and all the problems or misalignments we have in the body. We are so identified with the body, and we forget. No la no identificación is knowing, but because you know, you acknowledge the body and you love it. But you know you are spirit living in a body. You are not a body with spirit. That changed my life. You say, what? It's so different. It's not a body with spirit. Spirit comes, and it can come in 100 millions of bodies, different bodies, and keep coming till you learning the lessons, and you keep growing and you keep going in evolution. So it's so beautiful to see that when you see yourself, the big picture, you come out of it. You become the observer. Less. You become Purusha. Purusha is the observer, the capacity to come away and observe the whole scene, what's happening. When you're capable of that, then you can see, you don't get so attached to what you're feeling, to your thoughts, to your body, to all the physical manifestations. You always know that there is the depth of the ocean. So you're not lost again in the waves of the ocean, which are real. Yes, they're there, but that's not the ultimate truth. The ultimate truth is that the ocean has depth, and in the depth of the ocean there's silence. And we choose to live in that silent place. So, Purusha, no, not exactly. It's the capacity to observe. In consciousness, awareness. Yeah. Spirit embodies matter. Spirit is embodied in matter. So the next principle is about lila. And in Tantra we call it divine play. It's all a play of spirit being embodied in this world. Advaita Vedanta says you gotta choose, or matter or spirit. The classical yoga says that. You gotta choose. And if you choose matter, you're creating karma. That's what they say. Tantra says play both. Both are happening at the same time. Use this material world to transcend material world, because you know all the dimensions are playing at this moment. So is that we talked before, conceal and reveal, and this is really good for you to remember. Yes, remember and forgetting, because we're there all the time. Today you had a blissful ayahuasca journey and you're blissed out as ever. I've never felt like this. Tomorrow is your worst day ever. Right? That's life. But if you don't get so attached to, yeah, oh my God, I saw everything already. That's it. I'm going there. It's happening. I can feel it. And you're so into it, the whole vision you saw. Then when you come down, it's like, oh my God, it's all an illusion, whatever. Yeah, it was just the high of the DMT, and I understand, you know. You go away. So don't take it so seriously. Your highs or your downs. Whatever. Yes, best visionary. Whatever. Yeah, thank you. Of course, I'm always grateful, but it's all good. Spirit is always happy. Spirit is always joyful. Spirit doesn't depend if you had your best day ever or not. And when you live from spirit, every day is your best day ever. So always remembering that conceal and reveal.